Welcome to our channel. If you want to back up your WhatsApp chats and media to Google Drive to prevent data loss, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable automatic backups. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 2. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Tap Chats and then select Chat Backup. Step 4. Tap Backup to Google Drive and choose your preferred backup frequency. Daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap Backup. Step 5. Select the Google account where you want to store your WhatsApp backups. If you have not added a Google account, tap Add Account and follow the prompts. Step 6. Choose whether you want to include videos in your backup. Note that including videos will use more storage space and data. Step 7. Select the network preference for backups, Wi-Fi only, or Wi-Fi or cellular. Using Wi-Fi only will save mobile data. Step 8. Tap Backup to start an immediate backup, or wait for the automatic backup to run based on your selected frequency. Your WhatsApp data is now safely backed up to Google Drive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.